So good morning, and we're bit of a late start today. We actually went to a Khon Kaen restaurant last night with Bobby and Christopher, who we picked up from the airport. And it was a bit of a late night. We got home and then we mucked around in the room, and then I personally didn't get to sleep until about 3. So I just got back up and started to work on the video. So I've done another video. Today is 11:45 and I want to go to Uberrat Reservoir and Temple. Yesterday we had a debate about how to say Uberrat, and I was saying it wrong, so I'm in the wrong. Hopefully today we'll go off and go and see the Uberrat Temple. It's very, very spectacular, as you'll see. Okay, so another change of plan. We're actually going to a different temple, and we've got several other people coming with us. So the impromptu party for Songkran is on hold until we get back. We're going to this very nice place, which is very, very big. We went last year, and one of the chappies who came with us spoke English, and he was the chauffeur. So we're going to take a drive out. I'm not sure how long it takes, but it was quite a fair old distance out of the city to the north. And we've got Zach coming with us, who's going to do the video. So hopefully get some video. So sounds like a good day out, and then we'll come back and party later.
ดีกว่าสวยแต่เนื้อตัวมันเยอะเลยนะสวยอายุเล็กตาเราจะถ่ายเอามุมนี้เลยเหรอมันสวยเอาไปเอามุมที่อื่นดีกว่ามุมนี้มันมุมด้านหน้าดีกว่าข้างในมุมนี้เลยสวยแอปดูนี่ไงคือนี่
Oh yes, I think we have some photos. Last year, a photo.
One photo.
Yeah. Okay. Photo. Songkran.
Darling.
Okay. Song.
Good. And me.
And you. Perfect. You're perfect.
photo with มาออกมาสักประมาณนี้
แล้วบอกว่าตบรางวัลด้วยเหล้า1 กลม
โอ้ต้องการเราต้องการจะมันนี่มอเรียน
Okay, you want to talk?
Yeah, crazy, yeah. So, what's the name of this? What's the name?
But หล
What?
วงพ่อกล้วย
Luang.
หลวงพ่อกล้วย
What?
หลวง
Luang.
พ่อ
Pa.
กล้วย
Square.
โอเค
Okay, so this is a very, very beautiful, very large temple complex with loads and loads of stuff, as you can see. And we're going to have a little look around. And we have Sax on the camera. Very good job, Sax. Well done.
thank you
Keep going. Okay, so we go this way.
โอเค
พ่อต้องอะไรสักจะถามเป็นไทยมุ่งตีมุ่งอะไร
Sleeping. Have crocodile, alligator. Crocodile. Yeah. Crocodile. I think they're sleeping. It's quite hot now.
no
Now see? Okay, so we have it going.
Huh?
Going. Last year, no walking. No walking way, no walking. Again? Come
เพราะว่าปีที่แล้วมาบ่ได้เดิน เพราะว่าเจ็บหลาย
ทีนี้ว่าเจ็บมันนะ
ทีนี้แล้วบ่ไปเจ็บที่จะมาสามารถเดินได้
เป็นข้อจะฟังยังได้อยู่อ่ะ
Oh, have chicken. Have chicken.
ข้อเขาได้จูเนีย
Crocodile.
สวัสดีครับ
ครับบ๊ายบายบ๊ายบาย
ครับผม
บ๊ายบาย
ครับ
โฟกัสครับ
บ๊ายบายครับผม
Oh! Little hamsters.
วัดทับกล้วยใช่ป่ะ
Little hamsters in there. Animals.
มากับจับเอาตะเล่านี่ละ
คือมาไทยเป็นหลายๆเพื่อเป็นโรคได้กันเนาะ
มันย่างได้แล้วนี่8 นาทีกว่าแล้วนี่
Drum. So we're going to go in and do the Buddha over there and just say a little prayer. You have to take your shoes off when you come into this area. And there's also a gong over there we're going to go and ring. But we'll go over to the Buddha. When you shake the sticks over there, shake one falls out, and then you come and you look at the number, and you find your number, and then you find out what that means. So in time, but you come up to obviously looks a bit difficult for Westerners. So each one has a number, and then you can just look up what the number means. And the sticks are over there. So we're going to go and ring a bell. We're going to go and ring a gong. So we'll go over here. So we're gonna ring the bell, the gong. We do it 3 times. It's supposed to bring good luck. Power. You go to the other one. So we do the same again, we do 3 gongs. And then we got 3 more on this big drum. Oh, that's loud. And that hopefully will bring good luck for the spirits. Okay, so we go this way. There's another Buddha. And we have a monkey giving offering to the Buddha, and the elephant giving offerings to the Buddha. And you'll see a lot of the statues with the crown, the proper crown on top, which is the hair. The common mistake for Buddhas is that the laughing Buddha is a proper Buddha. It's the Chinese Buddha, and this is more of the Asian proper Buddhas. So they have the hair on top. We're going to go this way now. You know, when you come to a temple, you have to respect the dress code. And over there is a very good picture. Just having you. So none of these things here are good or allowed for going into. So no short skirts and tight pants, especially for ladies. I mean, I'm okay with myself with my shorts here. I'm okay with those. They're okay. And my shirt covers my shoulders. So you just have to respect the religion. And we're going to go this way. You will see the Buddha, reclining Buddha, which is another posture. So apart from seated, we're going to look at this one over here, which is the reclining Buddha. So just have a little look. It's very common. Okay, we're going to go this way. Okay. So I think we're going to go and get something to drink. It's very, very hot today. It's probably about 40 degrees. So we need to get some drink. This is a different Buddha, a different shaped Buddha, but it has the same basic features of Buddha with the crown and the hair. This one is pointing up. It's pointing up to the sky. And that will end our little tour around. We're off back home now. We're going to go home. I hope you enjoyed the little tour, and we'll see you later. So here we are at Piman Chong again for another afternoon. Well, it's about 5, nearly 6 p.m. But they've decided to come. Here is.
Hello. Hey.
And the children are having fun in this swimming pool. Hopefully later on we'll get some food. Again.
Hello.
So that's it, we've finished at Pimenchon. We're now headed off to one of a restaurant run by Tad's old boss, apparently. Tad and Bowie. Don't know where he used to work, but it was 20 odd years ago.
One day, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful.
เด็กๆกูก็เคยกันแค่บ้านหม้อ
So behind me is Sentan or Central Plaza, and opposite that across the little bit of a river or a stream, and then very, very big restaurant here, which is owned by that lady, and it was Tad's boss from a long time ago, about 20 years. So, and the boss lady lived in London for a long, long time as well. But this is very, very nice. Very nice. Hello.
ไม่เอาว่ายังไม่กันขายต่อ
The girls are finished. They're going to go off to the nightclub, and me and Christopher are going to pop back to our hotels.
สองมันเหมือน
Cabaret bar.
Yeah, a cabaret bar on the way home.
เบรกอีกหล่อยางสองเดือนอะไรเดือนเนี่ย
No, not really. Just a little joke.
เอาอยู่
A little joke.
ไปทั้งวันก็ไป
That's probably the end of tonight. I should probably go home
แต่เขา
and
ก็บอกว่าเราก็ไปได้แต่ว่าไม่อยากไป
start off on the
ว่างานเป็น
videos.
ยังไงนะ
Get a few done.
ไปไม่
So
ได้
catch you later,
ไม่มีไปเนาะ
and good night for today.